Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon lumpia. Start by sourcing fresh salmon and crisp lumpia wrappers, then prep a work area. Chop salmon finely, mince garlic and onions, and mix with seasonings and a small binder like egg or mashed potato. Wrap tightly to prevent bursting and choose frying or baking based on preference. Cook until golden, drain briefly, then serve hot with a bright dipping sauce. Begin prepping the filling by trimming skin and bones, then finely dicing salmon for a consistent bite. Sauté garlic, onion, and a little ginger until fragrant to unlock deeper flavors. Combine cooked aromatics with the salmon, add 1 egg as a binder, season with salt, pepper, and a bit of lemon or calamansi zest. Chill the mixture briefly to firm it, which helps when wrapping and frying later for a tidy result. Lay a lumpia wrapper on a flat surface and spoon a modest amount of filling near the edge to avoid overstuffing. Fold the sides inward and roll snugly, sealing the final edge with beaten egg to secure the seam. For frying, heat oil until shimmering and fry in small batches until golden and crisp, about a few minutes per side, or bake at 375 degrees F on a lined sheet for a lighter, less oily alternative that still delivers crunch.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.